Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. And in today's video I shall be making a full review and showing you guys a platform that pays you consistently for watching video. This platform, I'm going to be revealing the name of this platform to you guys as the video progresses. As you can see, this is my earning so far and my withdrawal from this platform. This platform pays you for watching reels. Now under the watch section, as you can see, you get to watch reels videos and you get paid for watching these videos. As you can see here, there are so many of them here. All right, it pays you.
For someone for someone that has been going to the gym for like 4 years, it's so funny when I tell people that, oh, I've never
Show you guys how this platform works, how to create accounts, how to buy glasses that you can use to watch video, and how to maximize your earnings in this platform. I'll be giving you guys a full overview of this platform and how it works. But before I go ahead to do that, I would like to make a live withdrawal. I think under my balance section here, let me take you guys there. I have some balance I would like to withdraw. As you can see, I have some balance here. uh, I would like to withdraw before I go ahead to show you guys how this platform works. So if this is the first time coming to my channel, this is Summit Teaching Academy. In this channel, I give you guys legit updates on how to make money online. I also make reviews on applications, and I'll show you guys how legit they are or not legit. All right, with that being said, if you are just coming to my channel or watching, if I've watched up to this point, I also like you to stick around watching this video to the end. You won't want to miss out on any information or anything I will say in this video, and plus you'll be seeing my live withdrawal from this platform. All right, that being said, now under my balance section here, as you can see, this was the glass I actually bought. It's actually broken in the sense that I washed till 0%. All right, but I wouldn't want to go much into that. I would like to focus on the withdrawal first before I give guys a full overview of how the platform works. Now first, I'll be tapping on withdraw section here. Under the withdraw here, as you can see here, you'll be earning. I've actually earned the platform's native token. This is the Cheelee app. I don't know if some of you here have actually come across this app, Cheelee app. All right, this is a Cheelee app, and you earn the app has its own token called the Lee and the Chill. All right, but now when you watch, you earn Lee. All right, now the value of Lee here is, as you can see, 1 Lee is equivalent to $1. All right, but here, as you can see, I have 14.28 Lee, which is worth about 14.3 USD. All right, and I'll be making a withdrawal here. Now I'm going to be selling this Lee. All right, I'm going to be selling this Lee here. As you can see, I'll sell this Lee. I'll withdraw into my native account. Now, depending on wherever you're watching this video from, and you can withdraw this lead to your local bank account. All right, here now I'll be maxing. I want to withdraw everything here. Now payment method, let me see. Under the payment method, I want to withdraw using Naira since I'm in Nigeria. So these currencies the platform support currently. As you can see now, you can, if your local currency is not here, you can just go with USDT here. And since I'm in Nigeria, I'll be tapping on NGN. So I'll click on max here. Bank, I'll be using bank transfer. Yeah, bank transfer. Yes, since I'm using my local bank account, my local currency, I'll be using bank transfer. Now this is what I'm receiving. The total conversion, this is what I'm receiving, 13,510 naira. Now, as you can see, from the funds I'm actually withdrawing, they'll be removing 30% commission, which means I'm supposed to be earning more than this. All right, but due to the commission, it will reduce. Now, see the current conversion rate. Price for 1 Lee is about 1,348 naira. So if you're not a Nigerian, so they'll give you this price based on your local currency. Now, that being said, I'll be tapping on confirm here. I'll be tapping on confirm. Now they say if you cancel the withdrawal after confirming, your token will be frozen for 72 hours. All right, I'll not be canceling, so I'll just proceed. I'm proceeding to the withdrawal. Now, to continue this process, I'll be going to my Chrome here to continue with the withdrawal process. As you can see in the Chrome here, I'll be tapping on Chrome, tapping on one. So this is where I'll be taken to an external page where I'll be inputting my account, my local bank account details to continue with the withdrawal. I'll be showing you guys the withdrawal proof in my bank account. All right. Now here, this is what I'll be receiving, 13,511. So pay close attention. So I'll be putting my account number here. I'll be putting my account number here. So this is my account number. So let me select my bank here. I think that bank is PalmPay. So let me look for PalmPay. So now I've actually located my bank, which is PalmPay. So now that is selected, let me input my email address here. I'll be putting now I want you to pay close attention to this. All right, please ensure your new ban is actually your account number. All right, make sure it is issued in your country. For example, you can't be in US and you're using Nigerian bank account, or in Nigeria I'll be using US bank account. So pay close attention to this. Make sure you confirm every details before you continue to pay out. All right, so this is my account. Let me have this is I've confirmed them. So let me continue to pay out. So I'll be continuing to pay out here. So as you can see, it is actually processing. And all right, guys. Now this is the details of my transaction, my withdrawal from the Cheelee app. All right. Now this is my order ID. So let me copy it and I'll save it in case. All right. There's need to fast track it. I'll be copying it first. I'll copy. Now copied. Now as you can see, I withdraw the total amount of 14.32 Lee. Now this transaction was actually made on the 31st of July 2026 at, look at the time here. So I actually withdrew this now using my bank transfer, and this is actually the price per Lee, and I actually sold this. So this total amount I'm receiving 13,511 naira, and when this drops in my account, I will be showing you guys this deposit. Now as you can see, now this will take up to 72 hours before it drops. It can drop before then, or this is a period before it can drop. 72 hours, that is about 3 days. So 3 business working days. All right, so let me get back now to give you guys an overview of how this Cheelee application works, how to create an account, how to get started, all right, how to maximize your earnings, and how to earn using this app. Now finally I'll be clicking on done. Let me click on done so that it will take us back to, all right, so get to continue. All right, now this is my dashboard here. As you can see, everything has gone. I'll just go to a notification from Cheelee application. This deposit landed in my account earlier than it was supposed to. From the withdrawal, they said my withdrawal will be completed in 72 hours. All right, so I was surprised that it came earlier than it was supposed to. As you can see, success. So let's check the other details here. This is other details. Now the sum of 13,511 naira. All right, that was withdrawal I initiated from my Cheelee application landed in my account. Now, for those of you that observed, here was actually pending. Now it has what shown success, and the withdrawal that was supposed to take 72 hours now took a couple of hours and it landed in my account. Now let me take you guys to my bank account. Now, I told you guys I submitted my PalmPay. All right, now take note of this 13,511 naira. So I'll be going to my PalmPay account to show you guys the withdrawal, the deposit. Now as you can see, this is my PalmPay bank account. So let me log in. I'll be showing you guys briefly this deposit in my account. As you can see, let me go back and I'll come back to this. Let me just go back to my okay. Now as you can see, my transaction history. So when I tap on transaction history, I'll show you guys the deposits from Cheelee application to my bank account. Withdrawal of 13,513 naira. As you can see, received from Cora Payment. Let me tap on it so I will send you the details. Received from Cora Payment Network Limited, 13,511 naira. Successful, guys. At least this is enough reason to show you guys that this update is actually paying. So I'll be dropping the link to this platform down the description. So do well to use the link to get started. Meanwhile, I'll be going right away now to show you guys how to get started on this platform, how to set up your account, and how to maximize your earning on this platform. All right, let me go back to the main app and I'll show you guys a complete step-by-step on how to get started. So if you've watched up to this point, you're yet to subscribe, I'd like you to go now, smash the subscribe button, turn the bell notification icon so that when I start uploading any content, you will be the first to be notified. And also, I would like you to drop a decent comment down the description box, and I'll do well to respond. Let me show you guys the history of my withdrawal. So I'll be tapping on Lee, or tap on Lee, and I'll show you guys all my earnings so far on this application. All right, now these are all my earnings. These are all my earnings. Since I started this all these are all my earnings. How I earn. All right, till I got to this point where I'm actually placing a withdrawal. All right, you can see the withdrawal minus 14.3132 Lee, all right, which was made on the 31st of 7th July 2026. This was my last earning. I made my last earning on this platform, which is today, also sent today, all right. So I would like to head on now to give you guys a brief overview of how this platform works. So make sure to stick around, watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on anything I'm going to be saying. All right. And if you are still at this point and you're yet to subscribe, do well now and smash the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification icon so that when next I upload any content, you will be the first to be notified. Now, first thing first, I'll be dropping the link to get started on the description or on the pinned comment. So do well to use it to get started after watching the video. So when you click on the link will take you to where you will be downloading the application. So when you download the application, make sure you create an account using your email, and when you create an account using your email, you'll be brought directly into this interface, and this is where how the interface of the Cheelee application will look like. But here you'll be having a glass here. Now let me show you guys something quickly. Under my balance section here, let me tap on the balance. You will see something. You'll be given a free glass. All right, you'll be given a free glass. Let me tap on the friends section here. You'll be given a free glass that will last for 3 days, and that glass will give you $10. Make sure you exhaust that glass for 3 days, because if it lasts 3 days, it will expire. All right, sit here. Every friend will get 3,000 easy and up to $10 in 3 days. Now, the free glass will be given will earn you $10 in 3 days. Now, here in this my balance section, I'll scroll up. You will see the free glass I was given. Now, see, this was a free glass. All right, so you will use this glass. All right, when it gets 100%, it will be broken. Then I also bought another glass. These were the two glasses I actually bought. All right, these glasses were about $6, $9 to give me about 20 USD. All right, so this was the last glass I used. As you can see, this was the last glass I used. So now, how do we get glass? How do we get glass? Now, you can see here, I'll be tapping on Go Market. That is all you need. All right, and when you purchase your glass, okay, let's go first to the market. Go to market. Now, under the market section here, as you can see, these are different glasses you can buy. All right, see the cost of this glass. The cost of this glass 6.18 USD, and this glass can give you about $20. Now, this one here, we have this glass here costs $3, but as you can see, this $3 worth of glass can give you up to $10. So the same thing goes for other glasses here. And when you buy this glass worth $20, it will give you can earn up to $75 buying this glass. So now, here as you can see, this you can also come to the famous glass here. You can come to different glasses. One of the famous glass here. Get famous. Okay, I think I'm not eligible to buy this one. This one are for content creators. All right, there's a part of this application that we're talking about, but that will be my next video. You can create, you can also, okay, you can also, post content here, and also you can also advertise for those of you that are okay that sell digital products, or you can also create a social account where you can post and get, views. I'll be talking about this in my next video, but under the end section here, see, I can see trade in. This trading here, for example, okay, what this trade in, what is actually meant is, okay, for example, I actually bought a $3 worth of glass. All right, I've actually earned from that $3 worth of glass. Maybe from that $3 worth of glass, I've gotten about $6. All right, but my glass have not gotten up to 100% for it to break. Now I can come to this trading here. I can trade my $3 glass for a $6 glass. All right, I don't know if that is clear enough. So now I can trade my $3 glass. Since I've already gotten 6 USD from the $3 glass I got already, I can trade it, all right, and get a higher glass. All right, since this $3 glass can give you about $10 in earnings. So that is how it works. So this is where you can get glass. In my next video, I'll be recording a video on how to buy this glass. I wouldn't want this video to get too long. It is getting long already. So after watching this, prepare your account and do want to subscribe if you have not done so, and turn on the bell notification icon so that when I upload the video on how to buy glasses, you will be fully notified. All right, so this is how you buy glasses. And how do I earn? Now, under the watch here, all right, under the watch section here, this is for you. Under the watch section here, you can be scrolling, and boxes, okay, boxes like this. You'll be seeing boxes like this appearing on the screen. When you tap on them, you claim your earnings. So this, you will do this until the time you are given, all right, will elapse. For example, I think for $3 out of glass, you'll be given 10 minutes every day to watch videos, and within these 10 minutes, you must make sure you exhaust it, because if you don't exhaust it, your earnings for that day is wasted. All right, you keep on using your glass until it gets to 100%. You watch, you keep on watching. It's cool. There are a lot of things there that you can earn from, all right, till the time you get for your daily earn. So now under the you can get glasses here under the market section here. Now under the product section here, I already have an account. I actually created an account here. As you can see, look at the number of followers I have. I have 16k followers and I have 80k likes. So you can also, under the profile section here, you can create an account where you can post. It's just like your Facebook and your TikTok and Instagram, where you can post and get followers and people watch your video. Look at the videos I've posted so far. You can see the number of views I'm actually raking in from this platform, and these are same videos that other people watch to also earn. All right, the videos are actually watching were actually posted by other people, but the platform pays you for watching this video. I want to believe you have gotten value from this video. If you have done so, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll do well to answer. Now, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.